Exploring double-height living spaces. Welcome to our exploration of double-height living spaces, where soaring architecture meets striking natural light. Make a grand entrance. The double-height space creates an initial sense of spaciousness and grandeur that will add impact as soon you step into the house. Sense of spaciousness. Double-height spaces create a sense of spaciousness and enhance natural light, allowing the occupants to enjoy a larger feeling living space. Bifold glazed doors and abundant windows fill the interior with natural light and afford views of surrounding fields. Showcase beautiful beams. If you are fortunate enough to convert a timber frame barn, then leaving the space double height will allow the character of the original building to shine through. The beautiful oak beams add character and architectural interest. Mixing ceiling heights. Pairing double-height spaces with those of a more standard height is a way to break up open-plan layouts and ensure homes feel cozy and domestic in scale. It creates more variety within a house. Enhance natural light. With higher ceilings and the possibility of skylights or clear-story windows, double-height spaces can allow more natural light to penetrate interiors, creating a brighter, more welcoming atmosphere. Mezzanine floors. Mezzanine floors are popular features in double-height spaces, creating a partial second level overlooking the ground floor. They give you the opportunity for more light and views and for the first floor area to look over an impressively voluminous space. Aesthetic appeal. Double-height spaces create a sense of drama and luxury, offering an opportunity to showcase large artworks, statement light fixtures, bookcases, and green living wall installations. With careful planning and imaginative design, double-height spaces can create exceptional living spaces that are both visually stunning and functional. Explore the possibilities of double-height living spaces and elevate the ambience of your home.